Hello and welcome to Nandi's Tasty Corner. Today's menu is mushroom soup. So we are going to chop up all of the vegetables you can see on the screen right now. Cauliflowers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers, and I'm going to chop them as fine, but also like I can get the pieces in my mouth so I know what vegetable I'm eating. So that's how I'm going to chop these, and I'm going to show you after I've chopped. See, I've also chopped mushrooms. So we're going to take a pan and we're going to first add about 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to make a paste with 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and ketchup about 1 tablespoon, and we're going to mix that and we're going to keep it aside. Now we are going to boil the vegetables. As you can see, I'm going to pour in all of the vegetables I've cut so beautifully, and I'm going to dunk them in water and let it simmer. For all the vegetables to simmer correctly and get boiled, we are going to require at least 20 minutes. So I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer. Here I am cutting the Maggi Magic cubes, that is chicken stock cubes from Maggi. You can get this is for 40 rupees. You get 10 of them, which makes it 4 rupees each. This is very good chicken stock. I highly recommend. So we are going to check the vegetables, see if it's boiled or not, and I'm going to add the chicken cubes into this. I'm going to open the lid and after this looks about boiled, we are going to now add the spices that required to make the soup. So we are going to first add the chicken cubes one by one. I'm going to use 3 here. So I have poured 3 chicken cubes here, and now I'm going to add red chili powder about 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add cumin powder, then I'm going to add coriander powder, then salt as per taste, and sugar about 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to mix this thoroughly. Now I'm going to add the sauce I had made earlier, and we are going to mix this into the soup, and we are going to mix it thoroughly and let it simmer for a while. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pepper, and I'm going to mix this into the soup and then let it simmer. In a bowl, I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour and about 2 tablespoons of water, and going to make a corn flour slurry which will help thicken our sauce. Now look at the consistency. This is what you are going to end up with. Now we are going to gently pour it into the soup, and this will coagulate like this and form this beautiful mixture. Now I'm going to take a egg and I'm going to beat it and form and mixture, which I'm now going to pour into the soup and make it sort of egg drop soup, but not quite. I'm also going to add a bit of salt to the egg and I'm going to add it into the soup, and we're going to drop it very carefully into the soup. And the consistency of the soup after being cooked for a while must look like this. We are going to now add about 2 tablespoons of pepper into this. Now we're going to plate the soup and enjoy it on a warm night with friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.